Hello and welcome to Nikolai's genetics lessons, and today's problem is if a plus b means a is a father of b, a minus b means a is a brother of b, a percent b means a is a wife of b, and a times b means a is a mother of b, which of the following shows that m is maternal grandmother of t. So in order to solve this type of problems, where we have certain code for certain blood relationship, we use conversion of this code into the word statements. For example, m times n, let's check, we have here a times b means a is the mother of b. Maybe it would be more convenient for you to call them first is the mother of the second. So first is the mother of the second, or m is the mother of n. So m is a mother of n. So next we have second statement, n percent s. Let's check. A percent b means a is the wife of b, or first is the wife of the second. So n is the wife of s. And the third statement here is s plus t, and a plus b means a is a father of b. So s is a father of t. And the first statement tells us that m is the mother of n. So m is a mother. So we put a circle around m, is the mother of n. So we can put a box here which would represent her husband, and she is the mother of n. So here is n. Next statement, n is the wife of s. So n have to be female. So she is a daughter of m, and she is wife of s. And of course, in order to be wife, then s have to be a male. And next statement, s is a father of t. So s is a father of t. And sex of the t is not specified. So we put this symbol, which means that sex is unknown. So now let's return to our problem. Which of the following shows that m is maternal grandmother of t? And we are happy today because the first answer is the correct answer. So m, as you see, is the mother of n, and she is maternal grandmother of t. Again, some people do not understand the difference between maternal and paternal. So this side is maternal side, and this side is paternal side. So there also can be relatives on this side, because a father of t also has his own father and mother and maybe siblings, but we call this paternal side of the t, and this side relatives that have a blood relation to t as maternal relatives. So as you see, the correct answer is A. And this is all for today. Thank you for your attention. Please subscribe for my new videos that I post almost every day. Thumbs up if you like this video. Please write the comments, questions if you have any. Share this video with your classmates and see you in the next video. Goodbye.